Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for subscribing. Please comment and like. I'm going to be cooking a prawn madras, a really nice, little bit spicy seafood dish. So let's get cooking. Then we're going to grab our oil. About 1 teaspoon should do it. And then we need a teaspoon of our garlic ginger paste. So that's what happens if you leave the pan on too long, which I've done. Then you want to get your garlic tomato paste, about 2 teaspoons to do it. And then we've got 1 teaspoon of our desi style spice. You can add more oil as it needs be, so it's just drying out a little bit. And then 1 teaspoon of our chilled chili spice. So we've got some of our lemon dressing, just gives it a little bit of tangy taste. But add a little bit on the side. For any dishes that aren't pre-cooked, so it's not, you haven't got pre-cooked chicken or lamb in there, you just got prawn, what you want to do, I will normally add a tiny bit of salt, because the pre-cooked lamb, they've already got salt in, so just a very tiny bit of salt in there. And then you get your base gravy, you get about half a pint in there. And then what you want to do is for prawns, because you can't cook them too long, they go very chewy. So what you want to do is you want to get your sauce cooked first. You want your sauce the right thickness, because if your sauce is thin and you put the prawns in and your prawns cooked but you still have a very thin sauce. So my gravy is quite thick. Some people have thinner gravies. If it's thinner, just cook it a bit longer. So I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit more. If it's too thick, it doesn't matter, because you could add a little bit of water, you could add a bit more base gravy. So my sauce now is quite, after cooking it a few minutes, it's quite thick now. So I'm ready to add my prawn. I'll put it. So these are, you can buy them from any sort of supermarkets. These are pre-cooked prawns. So you can have these cold. So it's not too bad. You won't want them cold, but you just put them in. That's it. And then very medium gas. Let the spices and let the sauce base gravy just cook into your prawn. But you can take these out at any time. You just want the prawn to get warmed up and let the spices infuse. My sauce has got a little bit thick, so I've just added a bit more base gravy to thin it out. So it's been a couple of minutes. I've let it. Don't go over 3 minutes with prawns. That's your absolute maximum. So mine's been about a couple of minutes now. Just going to put some coriander in it. Some people do add kasuri methi. I personally don't. But each chef's got their own different style. I only usually put in dansans. So that's now ready. The sauce is nice and thick. Prawns we know are pre-cooked, they're already done. So we're ready to dish it out now. And then just a little bit of coriander on top. A little bit of decoration. And there you have it, prawn curry.